സൂപ്പർ ഹിറ്റ് ഷോപ്പിംഗ്. ഓരോ ദിവസവും 1 ലക്ഷം വീതം ക്യാഷ് പ്രൈസും കൂടാതെ 15 കോടിയുടെ ഉറപ്പായ ഡിസ്കൗണ്ടുകളും സമ്മാനങ്ങളും. മൈ ജിയോ ഓണം മാസോണം സീസൺ 2.
With anchoring, you have seen that is called as spud.
Hello.
Dredger it is, and it is having crane as well as poclane also. A crane why we have bought, because some trees are and all fallen in the water that we can scratch and we can remove aside. In the meantime, poclane can clear the mud. And second is one more barge is there. We will put 100 to 150 ton mud in that, and it will open down from below. Wherever we have made the hydrographic survey, wherever depth is there, there we will go and we will push the mud inside the water.
Sir, today the operation will start.
Today we will have make a puja because of today's Friday, and here it is we call as Chaturdashi Sankashti. We have to make small puja, and we will start now. Machinery we will start and we will take it there. And administration, DC officer from DC has come, and SP is also here only. And main thing is, from day before yesterday, our Kerala MLA, you know that I'm thinking very bad because he is always calling me what happened. And he is here with us. And morning also I met MP in Bangalore. He is not well, I think. He told that I will come after 2-3 days.
Tomorrow at what time you will start the operation?
It is how you know, when the low tide is, then we will work. High tide, we will stop it again. Then port people are also there. Port people will take continuous work observation. And it is a last try, what I can say.
And how long the arm will go under the mud?
It will go up to 30-40 feet. I think he is there only, no? I think you people have asked me. That person, technical person is here. And 50 to 20 meters. 50 meter to 20 meter.
So now you're planning 3 days dredging?
No. We have initially 3 days we are doing only the points which he had given by Navy and our Indravalan, whoever they have given the particular points, and our person from Udupi also, he also told the same thing. That we will, our SP and DC has taken the decision. First we will try 3 days on that. Thereafter we will continue.
Sir, today 11 o'clock the dredger come here, and around 1 o'clock the equipments all are assembled. But the operation not started now.
See, it is all
What
your
is the
will.
reason, sir?
I am telling you again, you should not ask this. Why you have bought this, you have to ask. Then I appreciate. See, the question is always not good. Why I am here? Why I am here? You tell me.
Sir, the dredger,
It's my duty. It's not my constituency. Even though it is my duty as an Indian, I have to do this work. Okay. And they have to make the arrangements. I don't know whether you are aware of this. Whatever you are looking that pipe, no, that has been cut and removed because of height of the.
sir, around 2 o'clock the dredging company says they are ready for the operation, but the DC or other not come here and
No. DC has not
give permission.
DC has to give her own permission. Means it is the government what she is working. She is not like me. I can come and anytime I can start. She has to tell the government that Baba we are doing and all these things. And the SP has also report intelligence department and all these things. Then only we can start.
Tomorrow Navy will come?
We don't require Navy and all these things. Why I don't know. Again and again you people are asking Navy. Huh? Any relation you have, Tamil or something like that? What Navy can do? You tell me. What Navy can do? Tell me. You tell me. I am asking you what Navy can do.
They have divers. They have divers.
The operation tomorrow.
Huh?
Exactly what
We will continue. See, in a day, 6 hours is low tide, 6 hours is full tide, again 6 hours is low tide, again 6 hours is high tide. In the high tide, daytime only we will work. And we have given them per day 8 hours work. It is, if they work for 6 hours and 10 days, if they have to work, then they have to work for 13 days. You got my point, no? If my brother asking why you are not start 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, then what I can reply?
tomorrow the divers will give the divers.
Divers are also along with him only.
Okay.
Yeah. Rajkumar, port यार इधर अपा. Hey Rajkumar, our driving people करी रही. Driving people करी रही. मत our hello contact hello द पाऊँ यार. महेंद्र अली दिया. Hey come here. You told that at 2 o'clock I am ready. What ready? But you cannot tell like that, you know. See, this is the government. Okay. Department has to do the work, right? It is not me and you. I can start now only. It is not a lunch. It has to take the own their systems. Systems they have to adapt. Huh? Don't tell something like because the first day I don't want any tension, boss. Please.
No, sir.
You have to support us, boss. How we are working.
Full support for.
What happened in Kerala? You tell me. Why not? What happened?
Sir,
you tell
sir,
me.
not
Huh?
compare that, sir.
No. Arey, we are working
That's
like
not fair, sir.
we are working like a mad person. I am telling you. You have to appreciate. Please. If you are not appreciating, then I cannot reply. Yeah. See, now SP is there. He has to inform in department. I cannot say him at 2:30 you have to come. Madam is there. Madam has 12. Madam Ma'am. She has to give the information to her seniors. How I can say her, Baba, you have to start at 2:30 only. And you should not talk to any other people, boss, please. No, you should not talk to you. You have allotted by whom? Government, no? You please reply to you see. What I was thinking, you know. What I was thinking, you know, I have to give you full freedom to see from there. But if you are talking like this, no, then again, we are also breaking our head here. No, not only you, our 2 people are there, brother. Please, you try to understand. Our location, my another people is there. Jagannath. Yeah, you have to support us. You tell me what support you want. You want to sit there, you can sit there. You want to sit 1 or 2% daily time in dredger also, I will make the arrangement with the chair, with water and all these things.
We are not sounding offensive, sir.
Yeah, please, I have to start, I have to make the puja. Please, sorry for if anything happens, anything wrong also, I am asking you sorry. But
സൂപ്പർ ഹിറ്റ് ഷോപ്പിംഗ് ഓരോ ദിവസവും 1 ലക്ഷം വീതം ക്യാഷ് പ്രൈസും കൂടാതെ 15 കോടിയുടെ ഉറപ്പായ ഡിസ്കൗണ്ടുകളും സമ്മാനങ്ങളും. മൈ ജിയോ ഓണം മാസോണം സീസൺ 2.